This is my generator, and I'm going to build a shed outside in the utility easement so that I can store it there permanently. And this is where I'm going to place the shed. It's only a 5-foot utility easement, a little less than that. So it's going to be a pretty small, narrow shed just to house the generator and the propane tanks. Slab is finished. Now I'm gonna start working on the framing. Came out pretty good. Alright, so I finished all the walls, and now I'm going to do a dry fit, make sure everything's nice and square, and then I'll start working on building the door and the sheeting for the front and the back. Here's the finished product. This is my new generator shed that I just finished building. It took me about 3 weeks to build it. It is finally done. Take a look inside here. You can see I added 2 vents, one on the back wall, one on the side wall, and I have an exhaust fan with louvered flaps to prevent rain from coming in and moisture. And that'll help keep the shed cool when the engine's running. Pretty heavy duty. Total cost of this shed was around $1,600, just strictly materials. So there it is.